Hey kids, are you ready to go on a fun and festive journey around the world? Today we're going to learn about some amazing winter holidays celebrated in different countries. We'll be jet-setting from Mexico to Israel, the United States to India. Get ready for colorful traditions, yummy treats, and super cool stories. It's like a global holiday party, and you're invited. Let's discover how different cultures celebrate this special time of year. Think sparkly lights, delicious food, awesome music, and tons of family fun. So grab your hot cocoa and let's get started. Don't forget your biggest smiles because this is going to be an adventure you won't want to miss. Let's blast off on this super fun holiday adventure. Woohoo! Hola, amigos! Our first stop is Mexico, where Christmas is celebrated with a super fun tradition called Las Posadas. For 9 days leading up to Christmas, families reenact Mary and Joseph's journey searching for a place to stay in Bethlehem. They walk through the streets carrying candles and singing songs, and it's like a big, beautiful parade of holiday spirit. And the food? Get ready for some yummy tamales, which are like little pockets of deliciousness filled with meat or cheese and wrapped in corn husks. And don't forget the champorado, a warm, chocolatey drink that's perfect for cozying up on a chilly night. Of course, no Mexican Christmas celebration is complete without piñatas. These colorful paper decorations are filled with candy and treats, and kids take turns hitting them with a stick until they burst open, showering everyone with goodies. It's like a candy explosion of happiness. And everywhere you look, you'll see beautiful poinsettias. These bright red flowers are a symbol of Christmas in Mexico, and they add a pop of color to every celebration. Did you know that poinsettias originally come from Mexico? They were introduced to the United States in the 1820s by Joel Roberts Poinsett, the first U.S. minister to Mexico. Now, let's talk about the music. During Las Posadas, people sing traditional Christmas carols called villancicos. Christmas in Mexico is such a vibrant and exciting celebration. From the colorful decorations to the delicious food and the joyful music, it's a feast for the senses. So grab your maracas and your sombrero, and let's celebrate Christmas Mexican style. Feliz Navidad, everyone! Let's continue our festive journey around the world. Are you ready for our next adventure? I know I am. Let's pack our bags and head to Israel, where we'll experience the magic of Hanukkah. I can't wait to share this special holiday with you. Get ready for some delicious food, exciting games, and inspiring stories. Shalom, everyone. We've arrived in Israel to celebrate Hanukkah, the Festival of Lights. This 8-day celebration commemorates the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. The heart of Hanukkah is the lighting of the menorah, a special candelabrum with 9 branches. Each night, we light another candle symbolizing the miracle of the oil. And the food? Get ready for a feast. Latkes, crispy potato pancakes, are a Hanukkah staple. And don't forget the sufganiyot jelly-filled donuts. Get ready to spin the dreidel, a 4-sided top with Hebrew letters. Hanukkah lasts 8 days because of the miracle of the oil. The oil lasted for 8 days, giving time to prepare more oil. Hanukkah is a special holiday full of light, laughter, and delicious food. So grab your dreidel and your favorite Hanukkah treats and let's celebrate together. Happy Hanukkah, everyone. Hey, everyone! We're now in the United States, ready to celebrate Kwanzaa. This incredible holiday, observed from December 26th to January 1st, is all about celebrating African American culture, family, and community. It's a time to reflect on the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future. Kwanzaa is based on 7 principles, called the Nguzo Saba. These principles are Umoja, unity, Kujichagulia, self-determination, Ujima, collective work and responsibility, Ujamaa, cooperative economics, Nia, purpose, Kumba, creativity, and Imani, faith. Each day of Kwanzaa focuses on one of these principles, reminding us of the values that are important to the African American community. One of the most important symbols of Kwanzaa is the kinara, a special candle holder with 7 candles. Each candle represents one of the Nguzo Saba principles. During Kwanzaa, families light a new candle each day, symbolizing their commitment to these values. And of course, no Kwanzaa celebration is complete without delicious food. Traditional dishes like collard greens, black-eyed peas, and sweet potato pie are enjoyed during Kwanzaa, bringing families together around the table to share a meal and create lasting memories. Did you know that Kwanzaa was created in 1966 by Maulana Karenga, an African-American scholar and activist? He wanted to create a holiday that would celebrate African-American culture and heritage and unite the community during a time of social and political change. Kwanzaa is such a special holiday, full of meaning, tradition, and celebration. It's a time to reflect on our values, connect with our community, and look forward to a brighter future. So let's light the Kinara, enjoy some delicious food, and celebrate Kwanzaa together. Happy Kwanzaa, everyone! Let's continue our festive journey around the world. Are you ready for our next adventure? I know I am. Let's pack our bags and head to India, where we'll experience the magic of Diwali, the Festival of Lights. I can't wait to share this special holiday with you. Get ready for some beautiful decorations, exciting stories, and delicious treats. Namaste, everyone! We've arrived in India, the land of vibrant colors and ancient traditions, to celebrate Diwali, the Festival of Lights. This 5-day celebration is one of the most important holidays in Hinduism, and it's a time for joy, light, and prosperity. Diwali is all about celebrating the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. During Diwali, homes are decorated with beautiful lights and colorful rangoli designs, creating a magical atmosphere. It's like the whole world is sparkling with joy. And the food? Get ready for a feast of flavors. Diwali is a time for indulging in delicious sweets like laddus, barfi, and jalebi. These treats are so sweet and decadent you'll want to try them all. And don't forget the savory dishes, like biryani and samosas, that add a spicy kick to the Diwali feast. One of the most important traditions of Diwali is the lighting of diyas, small clay lamps filled with oil. These lamps are placed all around homes and temples, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. It's a beautiful sight to see, like a million tiny stars twinkling in the night. Did you know that the significance of lighting lamps during Diwali comes from the story of Rama returning to his kingdom after defeating the demon king Ravana? The lamps symbolize the light that guided Rama home, and they represent the victory of good over evil. Diwali is such a vibrant and exciting celebration. From the colorful decorations to the delicious food and the beautiful lights, it's a feast for the senses. I just love how families come together to share traditions and create lasting memories. So grab your diyas and your favorite Diwali treats, and let's celebrate together. Happy Diwali, everyone! What an incredible journey we've had, exploring winter holidays around the world. Wow, wasn't that an amazing journey? We traveled all over the world, from Mexico to Israel, from the United States to India, and we learned about so many incredible winter holidays. I had so much fun exploring different cultures and traditions with you. Remember, celebrating different cultures makes our world a brighter and happier place. So let's embrace diversity, spread love and joy, and make this holiday season the best one yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Happy holidays, everyone!